Hello, my most amazing artists. Today, we are going to create using markers. You will need markers and your manila, kind of yellowish looking paper. And you can use a variety of markers. We're going to learn the correct way to use our markers and create lines and shapes. First thing we always do when we get our piece of paper is we write our name on the back. That way we have the whole front side of the paper to draw and create. So that's why we put our name on the back and we turn our paper over when we finish. So we have a whole empty front side. Now you're going to take your marker, and as we use them, we take the top off and we put it on the back. That is how we use our markers. We don't just put it on the table because it could roll away and we can lose it. And if we lose it, our markers can dry out. We're going to start by using the point of our marker, and we're going to draw a straight line. Now don't press too hard, otherwise that nice point can smush. If I use the edge, it makes a thicker line. And if you smush and smash, it'll ruin the tip of your marker. When you're all done, put the top on and hear it click. Now you can pick up another color. Let's try another type of line. Top always goes on the back. This time we're going to do a wavy or a bumpy line. Think of the ocean, think of hills outside. Then take that marker top, hear it click, and you know it's on all the way. This time I turned my paper because I'm going to do a zigzag. A zigzag has sharp points at the top, like mountains or shark teeth. Again, the top of my marker goes on and I hear it click. Let's try another type of line. Marker top on the back, always. This time I'm doing a curly line. It's like loop-de-loops of a roller coaster. It goes up and around and comes back down. Careful, see how nice and pointy it is? Because I made sure not to smush. Now I have my purple marker and I'm going to try another type. I'm doing a U shape. It's called a scallop, and I do a bunch of U's connected together. I can have it go down that way, almost like scales. Or I can have it bump the other way and it's like bunny hops. Boing, boing, boing. Make sure it clicks. This time, I'm going to do a dash line, almost like the middle of the road. It's like a broken line, so it's similar to my straight, but in between it's empty. Click. Each time I do a line, I grab a new color. This line is a blocked line. It's like the top of a castle. It goes over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down. Now let's try some shapes. Can you draw a circle? It's okay if your circle isn't perfect. Mine's not perfect either, but it goes all the way around. What about a square? A square is the same on all sides. Uh-oh, almost forgot to put my top on the back. This time I'm doing a triangle. A triangle is 3 lines that connect together. And there are even different types of triangles. What about a heart? Those are kind of tricky. It's like 2 candy canes that touch. Can you draw a heart? If not, don't worry. We'll be learning how to do all of that this year. Now I'm doing a diamond. A diamond is like two triangles that are connected. Can you draw a rectangle? A rectangle is like a long, stretched out square. What other shapes can we draw? Ooh, there's my oval. It's like a head shape. Let's try a tricky one. Do you know how to draw a star? Whoa, those can be a little tricky, but don't worry, we'll learn all of these things this year.